In this video, we are going to see that if we want to log out from all accounts on the YouTube application, how can we easily do that? So first of all, if we click on the profile icon, you will notice that we are signed in with some kind of an ID. So if you want to just sign this out completely, how we can do that? Because if we click on settings or any option, there is no option to sign out directly. So right next to the switch account, there's Google account option. Just click here. And once we are in that account, just scroll down until you see this security and sign in. Just go in here. Now on this page, you will get some information about your two-factor authentication, your password and all. But if we scroll down, we can see this manage all devices option. We'll click here. And for example, I want to remove this from my device. Just click here. It will ask you for the verification. Just confirm the verification and just hit sign out. Now let's do the same for any extra device. Now this one is inactive for many months. So let's click on sign out, click on sign out again and click OK. And this is how you can not only sign out from the YouTube account, you can sign out from the Gmail account as well. Just remember that both of these accounts are connected. So if you are signed in on one, you will automatically be signed in on the other. So in order to remove that, you need to sign out from the Google account as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.